In this video, I am going to show you how to make this photo into this creative artwork. Open Photoshop and make the width 1080 and height of 1920 and resolution of 300. Now insert our image and scale it to the set dimension. Use Place Embedded to insert the other photos that we are going to use. Scale it. Rasterize image. And use Pen tool to cut out the photo. Do the same into the oath photo or image. Now play along and put it on top for better creative and style. Duplicate the photo and put it above all image and lower the opacity. And use Pen tool again to cut out the hand of the lady. Erase some necessary from edges of the cutout hand to make it more smooth and realistic in loose. Now create a shadow under the cutout hand. Reduce opacity and use Gaussian blur to make a good shadow. And this is the before, and this is the after. If you liked this video, please follow,